their responsibility and finish the work and assignments given at home. Children, hold your head high. Now children, they too have done marvelous job. They were given holiday assignments and school has recognized it nicely. We would require students like them. We sincerely thank their parents also. For a pic, their teachers can also join them. Have a huge round of clap for these children. Next, 6 to 8. Children from 6 to 8 should come on the stage now. I want their teachers to escort them. I would request all the parents who have come here today in the school, please stay here for a bit and watch the whole program. We will not take too much of your time today. Our chief guest of the day, Dr. Khurshid Anwar, will be arriving soon here among us. Round of clap for these children.
हमारे मैथमेटिक्स वाले सर इधर वाले, ये वाले ग्रीन और ब्लैक कलर की धारियाँ जिसमें
इसको अलग से रिकॉर्ड करो इसमें।
कर लो। अभी तो बहुत फंक्शन है, आपको पता नहीं, बहुत बढ़िया करेंगे। गेस्ट नहीं आए,
Our chief guest of the day, Reverend Dr. Khurshid Anwar, has arrived on us finally. We are very much glad to have him here with us. So we welcome you. Students of 9, 10, 11 standard are being rewarded for their industriousness. This is really an honorable moment for all of us for being here on the occasion of 75th Independence Day of India.
तो मेरी आंख में
I want all the gathered people to clap for the industriousness of these children. Now the flag hosting ceremony will take place. I would request you to stand up.
अच्छी
Hello. This is our 75th Independence Day. We are celebrating with zeal and zest. Our chief guest of the day, Dr. Khurshid Anwar, is hosting the flag today.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जय जय मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की
जय
देश के शहीदों की
जय
पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू
अमर रहें
महात्मा गांधी
अमर रहें
सरदार भगत सिंह
अमर रहें
चंद्रशेखर आजाद
अमर रहें
खुदीराम बोस
अमर रहें
डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम आजाद
अमर रहें
भारत माता की
की जय।
A proud moment for every Indian to celebrate such an auspicious occasion here.
अरे आधे घंटे में तो ये निपटा देंगे, हम लोग 9 बजे तक चल जाएंगे। मुझे लग रहा है यश तो बेटा है ना, तो बिल्कुल वाइट है इधर, अंदर बच्चे पूरे तैयार खड़े हैं।
Director, Principal Ma'am, and other dignitaries on the dais present. A warm good morning to all of you. Here's a hearty welcome, big and warm enough to enthuse you all. To say we are thrilled to see you is an understatement. It's a glad welcome we bring to you this morning, filled with desires, hopes, and dreams we all share. profusely overjoyed to take the opportunity to introduce our chief guest of the day, Dr. Khurshid Anwar. Reverend Dr. Khurshid Anwar, who does not require any formal introduction. Rather, he is a very prestigious and well-known figure in the entire district. His selfless and persistent service during this pandemic gives him a different status in medical field. His greatness is evidenced through his humanitarian and amiable behavior while treating the people. Despite serious health challenges, he has never given up and always stood firm in serving the mankind. On behalf of the management, I thank him for providing the symbol of valiant sacrifice of our freedom fighters. This important day is to pay respect and remember them. It is also a day to celebrate freedom and reignite patriotism and love towards our country. Due to the selfless sacrifice of our freedom fighters, we are living in a free country. Freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Ashfaqullah Khan and several others are etched in golden and civilization. Happy Independence Day. Neither the children nor the adults could resist themselves to express their heart feelings. So now, very respectfully, I invite on stage a group of teachers for a melodious song. Welcome them with a thunder round of clapping.
तुम उधर बैठ जाओ कुर्सी पे, आ जाए तुम्हारे फोटो।
Hello.
ले गाना गाती हूँ, पता नहीं जो सबसे है ना वो हमेशा रावण बनते हैं, ये शिवांग।